Just a quick update on the wall. Right now we're putting filter fiber in this trench behind the wall. It does have a drain pipe below it, a perforated, socked 4-inch corrugated pipe, and the small wall over there is complete. All of this will have updates soon. Over here we've got spare dirt, but it's got debris in it, and over here is about 2/3 of the debris from the old railroad tie walls, and you can see they were in quite a state of disrepair. But anyway, over here the filter fiber is going in layers and adhering one layer to the next. So I've got some down in the corner and some here, and there was a forecast for rain last night, so we had a tarp over the whole thing. Hopefully the rest of the day goes smooth and it's below 80 degrees finally. Better than working in 100 degrees during the week on my own. Thanks for learning with me.